Mira, Rumi, Lali, and Zoey.
Hey! We're gonna have the best vacation in the forest ever! Oh, no, no, no! No way!
Our tent!
How did this happen? Well, there goes the tent.
Where are we supposed to hang out now?
We should figure something out. Oh, I know. Who needs a tent when we have that tree?
What? But what do we need for it?
We'll build our very own treehouse. LaLiLu, I need help.
What happened, Lali?
We urgently need a treehouse.
Great idea. Let's build one. Good thing I have lunch.
Pizza! I love pizza so much.
Help yourself, Lali. We'll build our little house from these boxes, assembling the cardboard base.
Wait, is it meant to be like this?
Of course not. We'll have to cover the gap with a right-sized box.
Oh, cute.
Now adding the roof.
Is it gonna stay like this?
We'll cover that too with cardboard. The house is done.
Yay!
Now we need to decorate it.
I know. Give me just a minute. There's definitely something useful in my suitcase. Pink faux fur, sparkly foam sheet, and even rhinestones.
Wow, that's amazing. Thanks, Lali. Can you help me?
I'm sketching. Look, this is the house I want, with a fluffy roof.
Perfect. We have faux fur right here. Lay it on top of the roof and cover the walls with pink foam sheet. The floor gets fluffy too.
Wow, everything I love! Pink and sparkly. The only thing missing is rhinestones.
Cut thin strips and glue them along the edges. And the final touch, a little heart. Time to show the girls.
Girls, look what me and LaLiLu made.
Wow, what a lovely little house. You both did so great.
Let's also add a heart-shaped window. Perfect.
And I've got a little heart-shaped shelf.
So cool. Let's hang it right here. Where should we put the flowers?
Oh, careful, Zoey. Phew, you never change.
Oh, I found the perfect spot.
Let's also put a vanity table and a little shelf. Looks fire. Oh, let's hang some fairy lights too. Lit idea.
Yay, it slaps.
We did great.
We're the best team. Woo! But something's still missing.
What is it?
I know. LaLiLu, I have a vision. Let's make a chandelier like this.
Love it. Let's go. We'll need an old disc. That'll be the base. Cut some fishing line, take 2 heart-shaped gems, and glue the line between them. Make several of these pieces. Attach them to the disc so they hang down. And voila! Our chandelier is done. So, what do you think, girls?
Wow, what a gorgeous chandelier! Can I hang it? Can I? It looks so stunning! Wow! Absolutely blinding!
Right, so beautiful.
Now that's dazzling. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Yes!
Lali slay, we do it our own way. Heart sign, glittering, turn the boring stuff to cash. Cha-ching. Woohoo! One eye roll, nature draw.
Phew, we need a little break.
Yeah, but where?
Big brain moment, I'll sort it now. Wait, right here. Need to get to LaLiLu. LaLiLu, phew, we need, phew.
What is it, Lali?
We need a sofa. I'm so exhausted.
I'll make one. You go rest for now. I'll just take this with me. We'll need 3 butter squishies. So soft. Here's a life hack. Boom, a sofa done. Okay, just kidding. For the base, we'll use the leftover pizza box pieces. Place the squishy sofa on the cardboard and trace around it. Cut it, fold the sides, and add a soft backrest. From a plastic container, we'll make a pull-out drawer. Cut off the lid, attach a piece of cardboard, and slide it into the bottom opening. Now let's decorate the sofa. And nobody does that better than Lali. Lali! Oh, she's sleeping so soundly. I'll let her rest. Cover all sides of the sofa with colored foam sheet. Glue a bead onto the drawer. Add rhinestones, and finish with cute pillows. Voila! It's so soft. Yay, our sofa is done!
Woohoo! It's slaying.
Incredible!
It's so fun to jump on. Who's making all that noise? Wait, did I sleep through everything? Oops. Oh, yes. This is the sofa me and LaLiLu made. Oh, that squishy life hack is so clever. I need to write that down.
Lali, come join us.
Woohoo!
Let's put the sofa inside the house.
Let's have a pillow fight.
Yes!
Attack! Take that. Girls, catch me! Finally, the whole sofa is mine. Pure bliss. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Hey, stop it! You want a battle? Then bring it. Catch me!
Your turn.
Take that. Lali, drop! I'm jumping in! Woo! What a time we're having!
Oh, right. What on earth did you do here?
Sorry, LaLiLu. We'll clean everything up. Girls, you'll help me, right?
Of course.
But where does it all go? Such a mess. Oh, we have a drawer in the sofa. Everything fits right in there. Clean and tidy.
Well done, girls. Now let's finish building the house.
Let's go.
We'll make a pool from this heart-shaped box. Oh, what are you doing in there?
Resting.
Lali, climb out. I need that box.
Fine, take it.
Trim off the extra height. Perfect. Now let's seal the edges. Lali, oh, she was just here.
I'm here. I brought you rhinestones.
Oh, great. Decorate the pool with them. Like so. Lali, we also need some glitter.
Got it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you go. Woo! More glitter. Filling up our pool. Woohoo! Awesome!
Let's show the pool to the girls.
Ta-da! Girls, everyone over here. Let's go swimming.
Wow, what an amazing pool. There, now you're all set. Oh, this is so relaxing.
Total bliss. Oh, I just thought of something. I have this thing right here. Let's connect the pool to the house.
Oh, wow, a slide.
I want to go too. Me first, me first. Woo! Slay!
Now me, woo!
That looks so fun. I want to turn too. Move over. Woo!
This is the best vacation ever. Oh, a mystery dumpling. So soft and squishy.
Can I hold it? Can I? It's so fun.
Let Lali play with it. We'll turn the box into a trampoline. Make the legs from pencils. Trim them to size. And attach 4 legs. Just like that. Take some foam sheet, cut a strip, and wrap it around the box. Color the wooden sticks blue. And attach them to the mesh. The fence is done. Add beads as decoration and put in a ladder.
LaLiLu, here you go.
Place the mystery dumpling inside. Thank you, Lali.
But it's missing rhinestones.
Would these work?
Perfect. Little hearts are my fave. Now that's more like it.
A trampoline with a mystery dumpling and rhinestones. The girls are gonna love it. Let's put it next to the house.
Wow, so cool. Let's jump. Me first.
No, me. Woohoo! This is so awesome.
Woohoo! Our turn now. Yes!
What?
Oh, Lou, how did you get up there? We need to rescue our kitty. Let's try climbing the ladder. Hang on, Lou. Lali, boost me up. I can't reach. What do we do? Of course, we have the trampoline. 1, 2, 3. Got her.
Yay, Lali, you're amazing.
You saved her.
She's probably hungry. I'll need this. A bit too little for a cocoon chair, though. Lali magic. Now that's enough. We'll also need a balloon and some glue. Blow up the balloon. Check out a life hack. Dip yarn into white glue and wrap it around the balloon. Let the glue dry completely and pop the balloon. Pull it out, and there's our cocoon. Cut out an opening. Trim the edge with faux fur fabric and fill the inside with soft stuffing. Now let's make a seat. Cut a heart from faux fur fabric. Cover the foam base and place it inside. Add a pretty decorative hanger. Wow, the cocoon chair is done.
LaLiLu, you forgot the rhinestones.
Good thing you brought them. Glue them all around the edge. Now it's truly finished.
Wow, I'm absolutely obsessed. Let me climb in. Girls, look at this.
Oh wow, it's so beautiful.
I say we throw a pajama party.
That slaps.
Let's do it. Now where's my pajamas? Found them. I'm ready too.
Me too. I brought popcorn.
I got the drinks.
Plus face masks for everyone.
Wow, I'm so lucky to have these friends. Oh, I just had an idea. 1 second. Let the dancing begin.
I'm the muse, I'm the main, call me queen. Glue on my fingers, stars in my eyes.
Okay, I'm worn out. I'm so sleepy.
Time to get some rest.
I'll lie down right here.
Good night, everyone.
Looks like the cocoon is mine.
Today we made so many amazing things. A mystery dumpling trampoline, a slide with a sparkly pool, a pink treehouse, a disc chandelier, a hanging cocoon chair with soft filling, and a butter squishy sofa. It really is the ultimate dream house.
If you loved our treehouse, subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye!